Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now we have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click here on the three dots icon and scroll down and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and here in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.